What if I tell you that the companies like TCS and Infosys are playing with the careers of freshers and experienced people? What if I tell you that there is a dark reality behind the mass hiring that is conducted by these companies, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL? You will be shocked to know the dark reality that goes behind all of this mass hiring and the mass recruiter that is being carried out by these companies from different colleges for all level of freshers and experienced candidates. You will be shocked to know the truth and the reality that goes behind this mass hiring. What benefits are these companies getting with this mass recruiting? A lot of people are having a lot of troubles, a lot of issues with this mass hiring. No onboarding, delayed joining letters, lot of issues. We are going to discuss everything in detail in our today's video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will ultimately help you to get regular updates about the videos that we post online. We also have a Telegram group. I will give the link in the description. You can go and join the group. Let us move forward. Chapter 1, Corporate Slave. Now a lot of people think that TCS and Infosys are doing a favor on all the freshers out there who are looking for jobs because they are providing all of them with an employment opportunity at companies. Okay, but what if I tell you at what cost? They are providing 2 years, 3 years lock-in period, that is the service agreement, or what we call it as a bond. You have to pay a certain amount if you will be leaving the company within the disputed time, that is 2 years, 3 years, or even 5 years in case of Wipro. Wipro is hiring BSc and BCA candidates with the hope that they will be giving them MCA and MTech from big colleges, good colleges, right? But at what cost? 5 years in the same company, and that to the agreement, or the rather I would call it as a hike, and the salary hike will be the same that is mentioned in the offer letter. They are giving peanuts for doing a lot of work that the engineers are being doing. Okay, so that is the reason. At what cost you are giving your freedom? Okay, you cannot even explore other opportunities because you are stuck in that bond of 5 years. So this is a big thing. Before going into any kind of service agreement or a bond or a lock-in period, always think about all these consequences that you will be facing as a fresher, because when you are fresher you should be exploring certain avenues, you should be exploring different opportunities that you will be getting. Chapter 2, Bench Period. Now if you look at the hiring process of all these mass recruiters, you will find that after onboarding they give some kind of training to the employees and then they put them on bench. From the bench, the supervisors and the RMGs, they pull out candidates, good candidates who are having good technical skills, okay, coding skills, and they put them into a project. So these people are working really hard in their projects. Now what happens with the other people? They are sitting on bench for 1 year, 2 years, okay, more than that as well. They are sitting on bench simply for the show. What is the reason they are putting on bench? The simple reason is that the management shows the number of empty or vacant candidates that are sitting on bench to the clients to give them new projects. They tell them that these people are skilled in these technologies, they are sitting on bench, we require new projects from you, we will deliver on time, we will provide you exceptional working products. So this is the thing that is happening behind. And in this case, what happens? The person who is working seriously and evidently he should be expecting a good salary hike and good package, good increment, okay, promotions. That person is not getting the promotion. In fact, he's getting 5%, 6%, 10% hike. But the people who are sitting on bench, who are not doing any kind of work, they are simply staring out of the windows, they will be getting the person's share, that is the hardworking person's share of increase in the salary will be distributed among the people who are sitting on bench, and that is the hard reality of these companies. Chapter 3, Job Security. I have seen a lot of people argue over this, that whether you should be looking at a job security at an MNC or you should be going for a startup. Okay, so this is very important when you are starting your career. You should be taking a lot of risk. Okay guys, when you are young you have the potential, you have the capability to take risk, you do not have any dependencies on you. So that is the reason we always suggest that please take risk when you are young. That is very important. These fancy looking companies will definitely offer you a good job security. These companies will have lavish offices, they will be having lavish buildings, they will be having a lot of services. But trust me guys, the amount of work that you learn, the amount of technologies that you can learn in a startup is way much higher than what you can learn in a big MNC with a big brand value, a big name. So that is the reason we insist on joining a startup over any MNC company. You should not be worried if the companies are hiring or not. Even if the MNC is not hiring, there are a lot of startups which are actually needing skilled candidates. So that is the reason, focus always on learning different skills, learning the new technologies, because definitely guys, if a person is working in the 21st century, you should be knowing different skills related to coding, related to programming, related to testing, automation, building websites, a lot of other things that you can do working in the 21st century. In the age of AI and machine learning, you have a lot of scope to work and to switch to different companies and get yourself upskilled in terms of growth and as well as the salary. So guys, this is very important. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends so that they also know the reality, the dark reality of all these companies. Thank you so much for watching this entire video till the very end. Hope you have a good day, and please like this video, share it with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, let us meet again in the next video. Thank you so much.